Hello everyone. This application is all about advanced website wishlist. Advanced website wishlist Odoo app help user to show all the product added in the wish list of all the customers to get the idea of demanding products and popular products. Also user can use filter for wished products and customer in the website. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version and now I will show how this application will be working. First, we need to go to the website module. Under website module, you will be able to see the shop button. Clicking on this, you can see all the products which will be put up in the for the website will be seen here. You can see this button. This is the where you will be putting up for the add to wish list button. So this is add to wish list button. If I want to click this particular item, I will click on this button. It will go and sit in this particular wish list. So whatever the list you want to put it up in the wish list, you can add it and all this wish list will be coming up in this and display like this. So if you want to add to your cart, you can add it, or if you want to remove this product from this wish list, you can remove it. And here you can see there is a all wish list product. Clicking on this will be opening all the wish list products. So whichever the customer or the owner who will be taking the product to the wish list, they'll be adding their cart to the wish list. All the products will be displayed here. You can group it by the product, so you can see which are the products it is put it up to the wish list product, so that you will get an idea how much the product is in a demanding and which are the popular products. And we have a filter for the customer also. If I click on the customer, you will be able to see which customer have put up the wish list in their bucket. You can see here all the products for that particular customer. This is regarding the advanced wish list for the website. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.